A stylish bracelet is more than just an accessory. It's a reflection of your personality and a story wrapped around your wrist. It can add a touch of elegance, charm, or boldness to any outfit. A bracelet can be a significant gift. Whether it's given to celebrate a special occasion, mark a milestone, or simply as a token of love and appreciation, a bracelet becomes a wearable reminder of the bond between the giver and the receiver. Surprise your loved one with a heartfelt gift crafted by your own talented hands. We need about 10 inches of 16-gauge wire. It is not necessary to cut the wire from the skein. First, make a zigzag as I show you. Step back from the edge about 2 inches and using the widest part of the pliers, begin to bend the wire. Hammer to harden the wire. To fill the zigzag, we will braid it with decorative wire. The number of wires depends on your imagination. It can be 1, 3, or even 5 wires. I took 2 simple wires and 1 twisted one. There can be a lot of decor options here. For example, you can use another type of decorative wire. Visit my store to understand the variety of decorative wire that you can make yourself or buy from my store. You will find the link in the description. The decorative wire can be replaced with regular beads, and it will also look very beautiful. Another interesting idea is to use, for example, leather cord for braiding. Surprise your loved one with a heartfelt gift crafted by your own talented hands. So turn on your imagination and create your style. Well, here we have made the middle of the bracelet. Now let's make the sides. To make the decorative wire that we will use for the sides of the bracelet, you need to twist 2 20-gauge wires, then add 18-gauge wire and twist again. The length of our bracelet body will be 6 3/4 inches. I will use 2 pieces of 6 3/4 inches decorative wire and 6 pieces of 9 inches regular round wire. Do not bend the decorative wire too sharply. In order not to damage it, you need to do it gradually and slowly. This is how we will arrange our parts, but we connect each side separately. For wrapping, I use 26 gauge wire. To find out the length of the bracelet, measure your wrist. For a looser fit, you can add ½ inch or leave it as is. At the end, we will add 1 inch for the hook. We will connect our parts in each corner of the zigzag. The 2 middle wires are now the base to which everything is attached. We connect the second side in the same way. We only need to level the surface, so hammer it slightly. The last step we need to do is to make a hook. The size of this hook will be about 1 inch. I decorated the hook with twisted wire, but you can leave it without it. Now all we have to do is enjoy the results of our work. If you want to learn how to darken jewelry to highlight all the details, find the link in the description.